Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Android touchscreen not working by following these steps. So let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and force restart the phone. Usually this requires you to just press and hold the volume down and the side button at the same time. You're going to keep on pressing and holding together until the phone basically shuts down. So let's go ahead and wait. And as you can see, it shuts down right now on my fan. And once you see it reboot or turn back on, you let go of the buttons. And it does take a little bit for it to turn back on, so just keep on holding. And once you said you let go. So all I did was just press and hold the volume down and the side button until the screen went completely black. And once you see the turn back on, you let go. And that is forcing it to shut down the software and then reload the code. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. This is going to be your first go-to step to troubleshooting touchscreen not working. Now, if this didn't work for you, there's a couple other things you can do. First thing is make sure that your touchscreen screen is clean. You want to take a microfiber cloth and just make sure there's no oil, dust, dirt buildup, because that's going to impact. So if it's dirty in one spot, it's going to actually impact the whole touchscreen. So take a microfiber cloth, wipe it down really good. And now if you have a case on, you want to remove the case, and especially if you have a screen protector or basically something on it, you want to remove it. If the screen protector is damaged or broken, it's going to impact the touch. So that's something you want to do. Now after that, the next thing you want to do is make sure your phone is charged. If it's on lower battery or very low, it's going to impact functionality like the touch itself. So go ahead and charge the phone as well. And make sure the charge, you can use the regular charger or wireless charger, but make sure that charge is at least 20% or more. Now after that, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and try this method is that you want to go ahead and restart in the safe mode. So you're going to pull down the top menu or click on the power or use the volume down and the side button. You're going to press and hold into the power off button, and then it's going to go ahead and to enter safe mode by touching it. Now once you turn back on the safe mode, just wait for it to turn into safe mode, and then we're going to go ahead and do a restart. So here you go, we're going to wait here. And another thing to also consider is that if you recently downloaded any application or software on the phone, you want to delete that. Sometimes it could have a malware or a virus with that software that could impact your phone. So this is why we go into the safe mode and then review the list of applications or software that you might have recently installed and delete those. And then let's go ahead into our phone. We'll swipe up, enter our device code, and then you're going to look for any software that you recently installed that may be malicious. So if you have a software, you're going to press and hold and just click on uninstall and uninstall again. And once you uninstall the malicious software or application, you're going to go ahead and just swipe down and then restart the phone back into normal mode. This is safe to do. It's just basically a preventive way to troubleshoot your phone. And after that, it should be fixed. And I hope it is fixed. Now, if it is not fixed, it could potentially have maybe a damage. If it dropped it, had water damage or liquid damage, in that case, you might have to actually replace the screen itself. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching.